Good evening. My name is Abhishek Sunipure. Today's date is 9th May 2024, and today's topic is what is JDK, JRE, and JVM. So basically, I will explain you all things in details. So first thing, what is the JDK? JDK is a Java development kit. It is a software development kit are used to create and develop a software application and applets in Java. Basically, JDK provide GRE and other libraries and JVM to execute, run a Java code. Basically, JDK is a platform dependent. It is a physically exists in every time they will update their version. The latest version of JDK, JDK 21. Basically, this is the use of JDK. It is provider software development tools and other files that are used to execute and run and Java program. Then second is a JRE, Java runtime environment. It is also physically exit. Java runtime environment. It is a implementation of JVM. It is provide your runtime libraries and JVM to execute to run the code. It is also platform dependent. Basically, this is the JRE. And last, most important part of Java is a JVM, because JVM is the most important part. JVM is the abstract machine. It is used to execute, run. It is used to verify and loading the code. Because JVM performs all tasks. JVM is a part of JRE. JVM is used to first JVM verify our class, then that class is loading on demand via class loader. The class loader is a part of JVM. In class loader is a different parts are available, like bootstrap class loader, then extension class loader. This class loader available in JVM that loads class on demand. Then verifying, they are firstly verify fully qualified name, fully qualified class name. Then the memory area is present in JVM. The JVM, there is a memory areas like heap memory, method area, stack area, PC register native, then native area. It is all things present in JVM. JVM, then executing JVM provider. JVM comes with compiler, interpreter like JIT interpreter. Basically, what is a JVM? JVM provide a platform that we can run we can write your codes in one time, and that code is converted into dot class file, means bytecode, and this bytecode converted by JIT compiler into machine code. So that's all procedure doing by a JVM. So basically, JVM is the most important part in Java to verify, load, and execute the code. Then this is the basically JVM, JDK, and JRE. So thank you.